we're doing another video. Today I'm going to do something pretty simple. It's just going to be my standard face, but I'm going to spook it out a little bit. And we're going to add some black glitter, and yeah, we're just going to play with it. I've got 2 gigs to get to tonight, so I am not going to be talking through this video. I will just be filming the process, and if you have any questions, please leave them below, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Without further ado, let's beat this mug. Okay, spooks, this is the final look that I came up with. We're gonna call this, I don't know, Evil Dead Witch something, glittery tears something. Anyways, if you enjoyed this transformation, please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can see my upcoming videos, as I will be doing more of these. And yeah, I'm about to lose my camera because I now have 38 seconds left of battery. So with that, I'm going to say if you have any questions, leave them below and I will get back to you. And if you have any questions about what I used today, everything is in the description box below.